So such akama devotee can experience Krishna prema, and he becomes competent to go back to Godhead, to become liberated from this material world, not otherwise. And the epitome of this experiencing pleasure in giving pleasure to Krishna exclusively was demonstrated by Vasudeva Datta, a great devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met Vasudeva Datta in Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified him, saying that you are such a great devotee. Vasudeva Datta, because he was a great devotee, devotees are all naturally very humble, and they never like to hear their own glorification. When Vasudeva Datta heard Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorifying him, he became very ashamed. He said, no, Mahaprabhu, what is this? I am such a fallen person. And then he in turn started glorifying Mahaprabhu. He said, Mahaprabhu, you are such a great personality. You are the Supreme Personality himself. What is not possible for you? Everything is possible for you. Anything that you desire will have to be fulfilled. So nothing is out of your reach. And therefore, I have one prayer to your lotus feet. One request. Just like Karada Muni also had a request. What was Karada Muni's request? I want a suitable, compatible wife. So what was Vasudeva Datta's prayer? He said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, yes, tell me, what is it that you desire? Vasudeva Datta said, oh my Lord, your incarnation in this material world is to liberate the conditioned souls. You have come here to liberate them. And in this universe, so many living entities are there, and they are all engaged in so many sinful activities. And they have so much loads and loads of sinful reactions on their head because of all their past activities. Therefore, I am praying to you, you transfer all their sinful reactions to me, and you please liberate all of them. So many living entities in this universe, they are all suffering. And when I see their suffering, my heart is breaking. So I want that these living entities, please liberate them, and all their sinful reactions, you give it to me. I will eternally suffer in hell, no problem. Why? Because Vasudeva Datta knows Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has incarnated to deliver the conditioned souls, and if all the conditioned souls of the universe are delivered, Mahaprabhu will be very pleased. So he thought, how to fulfill this? Because the living entities, how can they all be delivered? They are all having so many sinful reactions. So let me take all their sinful reactions. So in fact, a similar example is there even in Jesus Christ also. It is said that Jesus Christ took all the sinful reactions of his followers. Now, but then the uniqueness of Vasudeva Datta is, Jesus Christ took the sinful reactions of his followers, but his followers continue to commit sinful activities. Whereas, so even though one time Jesus may have taken their sinful activities, reactions, because they continue to engage in sinful activities, they will not get liberated. Vasudeva Datta's prayer was, you transfer all their sinful reactions to me, destroy their sinful propensity and liberate them, take them back to Godhead, don't leave them here. So Vasudeva Datta's feeling of compassion was far, far higher. Why? Because he was not thinking of being compassionate on the material distress of the living entities. He was thinking beyond that. He was thinking of the pleasure of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not be pleased simply by taking away the sinful reactions and removing the distresses of the living entities. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be pleased when they go back to Godhead. And so Vasudeva Datta said, please transfer all their sinful reactions to me, destroy their sinful propensities and liberate them. By this you can become pleased. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this, his eyes filled with tears and his body started trembling in ecstasy. That, oh, look at Vasudeva Datta, what kind of compassion he has. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in a faltering voice, he said, Vasudeva Datta, the kind of emotions that you are expressing, it is not surprising because you are an incarnation of Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj also, when Narasimhadev appeared, when Narasimhadev asked him for a benediction, what did he say? He said, Naivo Dvije Paraduratyaya Vaitaranyas. So Prahlad Maharaj said, Naivo Dvije, I am not worried for myself. But when I look at all the living entities who are living in this material world, conditioned, fully in distress, immersed in distress, forgetful of you, when I look at them, I feel distressed. So the same mood was exhibited by Vasudeva Datta also, because he was an incarnation of Prahlad Maharaj. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that, my dear Vasudeva Datta, please don't think like this, because Krishna is not incapable of liberating the devotees. It is not that Krishna cannot liberate the conditioned souls in this world because so many sinful reactions are pending against them. And so it has to be transferred to someone else, then only they can be liberated. No, Krishna is Swarat. He is totally independent. He has to just desire, and irrespective of the amount of loads of mountain of sinful reactions in a person's life, he can be liberated. And this material world is such a place where this material universe is like a small mustard seed in a huge drum of mustard seeds. So in that, if you take out one mustard seed, what is the loss? You cannot count the number of mustard seeds in the drum of mustard seeds. In that you take out one mustard seed, what difference does it make? So if this universe is liberated, it is no loss for Krishna. It makes no difference to him. Krishna can liberate this universe simply because of your desire. If a pure devotee desires that all the living entities in this universe should be liberated, no need of transferring those sinful reactions to you. Krishna, just by your desire, he will liberate them. Not only this whole universe, all the universes, if they are liberated and they become empty, still Krishna will not feel he will not feel that, oh, there is some loss. Because for him, it doesn't make any difference. He is totally detached. And so therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Vasudeva Datta that just by your desire, the living entities will get liberated. You don't have to think of transferring the sinful reactions to your own head. Don't worry. Like this, he pacified Vasudeva Datta.